Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. If you have ever needed to detect heat problems quickly and accurately, today's device will definitely catch your attention. We are looking at a powerful handheld tool that could easily earn the title of Best Thermal Imaging Camera for fast and precise temperature detection. It is compact, smart, and built for serious performance. Let's get started. The Mas-Fuyi FY12 thermal imaging camera is designed to deliver quick and stable thermal readings in a simple handheld form. What makes us stand out right away is its ability to detect temperatures at 57,600 different points at the same time. That means you get a highly detailed thermal image instead of just a single temperature reading. This wide detection range helps you spot heat differences instantly and avoid missing hidden issues. The Mas-Fuyi FY12 thermal imaging camera also offers a broad temperature measuring range from -20 degrees Celsius up to 550 degrees Celsius. This wide range makes it suitable for checking everything from cold systems to very hot equipment. Whether you are examining heating systems, electrical components, or industrial machines, it can handle extreme temperature changes with confidence. Image clarity is another strong point. The camera features a 240 by 240 pixel resolution that provides clear and sharp thermal images. Combined with a 25 Hz frame rate, the visuals update smoothly in real time. This makes movement appear fluid on the screen, which is important when scanning large areas or tracking temperature changes quickly. To keep the image steady, the Mas-Fuyi FY12 thermal imaging camera includes advanced image stabilization technology. This helps maintain clear visuals even if your hand moves slightly. Instead of blurry images, you get stable and easy-to-read results, which improves overall accuracy. One very useful feature is automatic temperature tracking. The camera can display the highest, lowest, and center temperature points all at the same time on one screen. This gives you instant insight into where the hottest and coolest spots are located. You do not need to manually search for problem areas because the device highlights them for you. The design of the Mas-Fuyi FY12 thermal imaging camera focuses on both portability and ease of use. It is compact and comfortable to hold, making it easy to carry around. The controls are simple and intuitive, so you can start scanning quickly without complicated settings. Overall, this device combines detailed thermal detection, wide temperature range, smooth imaging, image stabilization, and automatic tracking in one practical unit. It delivers accurate and reliable performance while staying compact and user-friendly. This handheld heat detector truly brings professional-level performance into a portable design. Check the price link in the description to learn more about it. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.